thing I want to do is get the pineapple kind of glaze and a little flavor. So we have the brown sugar, light brown sugar, butter, a little allspice. Raise the flame. I'm not banging. I want to, but I won't. Fresh pineapple. I dice up all my pineapple. When I get a pineapple, I dice it up, put it in a container, and freeze it for little baggies. Nice high flame. And this is the same pan I'm going to cook the pork in. It's going to be breaded with coconut. There won't be a sauce. This will go on top of the pork when it's done. With some scallions for color, or chopped parsley, whichever you prefer. I like the scallions because they're more of a bright green than parsley. And this, that takes care of that. You could put a shot of triple sec in there at this point, brandy, any kind of liqueur you like, but we're abstaining from that tonight. So that takes care of the pineapple. Well, there's the pork. Let's put some pepper and salt, and then we're going to turn it over and put some on this side. You know, if something's thick, like these are more than 1/4 of an inch, so I season both sides. Then at least the pork tastes good without any assistance from any of the other ingredients. So there we have the pork. So we're going to go into the flour. No fingers. Your fingers get messed up. Just lightly dust it into the egg. And into the breadcrumbs with coconut. Now you can use panko, which I would have, but I didn't have any. And I use equal amounts of coconut and the breadcrumbs. I like a nice coating of the coconut. See how nice that is? Do it to the other piece, and then we'll save it for later to cook. We're going to put the breaded chops into the light olive oil and butter mix. Moderate flame like so. Raise it just a hair because you want to hear that sizzling. And then next to it over here, we have the pineapple keeping warm and scallions ready to pour into the pineapple before we put it over the top of the pork. So once again, not to waste valuable film, which is boring just to look at this. This should take about 3-4 minutes, and you'll be able to know when it's time to turn. You'll see nice brown around the bottom There. And that cooking, the flame is just right. It's not too hot. Okay, let's take a look. It's been a few minutes. And if you can see over here, I think you can see that. No, you can't. Well, let's see if I can move this over to here. Then you can see the brown on the bottom. So now you turn. Let the oil go up. When you turn this, pour the oil away. And you'll never splatter yourself. I can smell the coconut. It looks good. This won't take long. This will take another couple of minutes. I'm going to lower the flame a little. Very nice. I like that. If you like coconut, you will like this. Okay. That's firm. That's done. Everything is ready. Now we're going to put the plate together. Piece of pork. And then some pineapple. And then on top of the pineapple, some scallions. And then adding some pencil thin asparagus to go along with that. And some rice. This is not part of the recipe, this is just well, you have to have something to go with it. So there we have it. Now I will present it in front of the camera. And you will be the judge. And there we go. Let me back that off a little. And there's the pork, coconut breaded. I put a little rice and asparagus. Hope you enjoy it.